In university, my first choice would be to study medicine in Hong Kong. It's because I believe that medicine is not just a science, it's also an art. It blends these two fields that I really enjoy together. And also this job requires both thinking, precision, and also just a lot of challenges. But I believe it'll be very rewarding as I can help people. And my second choice would be to study public health and biomedicine because I think even with research, we can really improve the community. And all in all, my goal is to just improve Hong Kong because this city raised me and I'm inspired to help the people. I joined YCIS 4 years ago in year 10. I would like to thank Mr. Scott and Ms. C for always encouraging me and caring for me throughout these 4 years, and this made me easily adapt to the international school environment. YC truly gave me a stage to shine in music, leadership, and academics. I gained the courage to run for Student Council President, and I learned that leadership is about serving others and not just about yourself. I also joined the First Aid group during Sports Day and organized a blood drive, which deepened my interest in public health. And I was surprised by how freely the school encourages us to perform, whether it be in harp or in band, and I realized that everyone has a stage to shine. I'm actually quite excited to experience more and ready to go because, as I mentioned, I want to pursue a career in medicine or public health. I believe the future is full of surprises and nothing is set in stone, so I want to continue my hobbies in music, art, and harp alongside my medical career. I'm ready and excited to go out and broaden my horizons, and I hope to maximize my university life like I did at YC, because this is a place where you're welcome, heard, and encouraged to shine. I would like to thank YCIS for being such an inclusive environment, and I would like to thank everyone, such as the principals and SLTs, who supported us and encouraged us for all our initiatives. I believe that as long as you're not afraid to take a leap of faith and step out of your comfort zone, you can truly shine as a person, and change is not something scary. And I would like to thank specific teachers, such as my biology and chemistry teachers. Mr. Chong, thank you for making every bio class so interesting and making us laugh, and also for taking us to the Shanghai TED Talk, which is an opportunity of a lifetime. And to Mrs. Ganguly, thank you for teaching me chemistry for 4 years straight from ground zero with so much patience. And as for my love for Student Council and for geography, thank you, Mr. Dean, for always listening to our Stuco initiatives and taking action, as well as for taking us on the Yangshuo cast trip, which is so much fun. And also the creative arts department, such as the music department, for making every performance possible, as well as Mr. Thomas for always encouraging me to be creative and continue drawing outside of school. To my fellow students, don't be afraid of change because it always leads to growth, and always take a leap of faith and see how it goes and step out of your comfort zone. And to those who are doing IB, please work hard and continue locking in and reach your goals. Here at YCIS, I shine on any stage.